everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing something different. Just checking to see if my name isn't on there. In today's video we are going to be testing out a dog product. I wanted one of these for a while and I just thought, you know what, the dogs have been naughty. Most of the time I leave the dogs inside. Sometimes if it's sunny, obviously I leave them outside, but lately it's winter and whatever, they've been naughty. But like say if we go somewhere over night time, we just leave them inside too because it's too cold, blah blah blah, whatever. But Rocco, come here Rockman, where are you? Gosh, he is still a baby, he's not yet one, so he still is a bit naughty, aren't you? The other night I came home to one of friends, so why do they have to be people like that? Like I just want to feel this is so weird. Maybe I should close my curtains because I've got like no light in here. Okay, anyway, I'm carrying on a bit too much, aren't I? If it's a dog camera, you can speak to your dogs, you can put TREATS inside. I can't say that because I've got two little ones listening and I'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And it has night vision and it's pretty much the same as a furbo, but obviously a different and cheaper design. So this one is from Myer. Yeah, this one I think it was 200, but Brent and I have gone halvies in it, so pretty much $100 each, so that's alright. And we'll just put it on afterpay, so they have afterpay. Mine have afterpay. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and we'll get into the video and like we'll download the app and see how everything goes. Okay. Okay, so I've got it here. Oh. So it is called the Smart Cam Treater, if you can't see that. And it, okay, so yeah, it comes with an app. Oh my god, so it's got camera, full HD camera with night vision, natural bamboo cover, a mic, a speaker and a power, so you obviously plug it in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Rocco, down from that table. Alright, so I'm just so excited. Let's put all the rubbish away. Let's see. It's very technical to open these bloody boxes these days. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, my dog's not going nuts. So we have the cable that obviously connects into it. Yes. Ooh. We've got that bowl of drinks here, so I can just fill it up without taking it over there and then knowing what I'm doing. Alright, so we've got the instructions, I'm pretty sure, here. So this is the warranty, I think. Okay. So this, oh gosh, this is the manual. So there's an app. Okay. Oh my god, exciting. Okay. Download and create account. Okay, I'm a bit nervous for this because on the app review there's a lot of negativity. There's one good one. So I'm assuming I just put them in here, I suppose. We'll just give it a go. Let's see. Look, they're so intrigued. She obviously means business because she has power. I'm going to take this sticky thingy off. That was very satisfying. So that would be right. The one day I need to do things like set something up, the freaking Wi-Fi doesn't work, does it? Not happy. So I'm trying to figure that out now. Okay, we've got things happening. Heard this beeping thing, then this is loading, so we'll let that do its thing, and I might eat my lunch quickly and then I'll get back to you. I don't know what's going on. So after a million breakdowns, it finally worked. Oh my god, look, here I am. See? Hello, hello. Oh my god, see? Oh my god. This is weird. Okay, so you got, let's see. Hello. Okay, oh, this is just a tester, okay. 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 Oh no, he's so... Alright, let's see if the... Okay, shut up. Shut up. He's so confused. Puppy! Okay. Oh my... I'm sorry, but this is so funny. Look. Oh. Okay, so this is the... Oh my god. Where did it go? Did it work? I don't know if it did. Did it work? Okay, so I just pressed on the feeding the rate to see if it works. Oh my god, it worked! Now that's only if you be good boys and girls. You don't get that every time. Oh my god, that's so cool. Let's do it one more time. Okay, ready? I'm gonna press the button, which is this little... Hold on. What's going on with my camera? This little blue button here, right? Oh my god, that's so cool! Okay, so now that we know it's working, I'm actually going to go to Nan's now, and we're gonna go check in with them once I go to Nan's. So we'll check in and see what they're up to, and yeah, if they're being good, we'll give them some treats. If they haven't been good, then we obviously know about it. Okay, I'm home. Just, I tell you, no, this is why I just, so yeah. Obviously the camera over there did not see them do this. So that's where you were when I couldn't see you. No, that's naughty. Outside, come on out. Time out, big time out. So this is editing taken here. I'm just coming on to say that after I got home and I saw the mess that they made, I took them outside, I cleaned it up. I lost the ending footage. All I said was, if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, obviously the dog camera does work, but it would be so much better if it had like 360 vision and, you know, like you can move it around, or like, I don't know, but it's because we have such a like small space, can't see everything. But it does work. It keeps an eye on your dogs.
you can feed them treats, do all that shebang, talk to them, whatever. But yeah, just that whole me saying the mess. Oh god, I was like, oh yes, I was so proud that I made this video. I'm like, oh my god, they're gonna be so good. I'm giving them treats and everything. I even like, you know, shot out them treats and then come home to do that. So yeah, but it does work. I would recommend it for dogs that are well behaved. But anyway, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, like this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.